it in the previous business process in SAP S4HANA.
That will be
Most of the
covered in
topics
detail.
will come here again, yeah, with
Mm,
in more detail. See again, master data came. The
mm,
first topic is master data. Okay, let me try to complete one part in this. Okay, then we can stop for today.
mm,
So first one is the material master. Can expand it, yeah. Okay. So structure of a material master record by Viwes. This we know. So different views, like we have basic data, purchasing, MRP. Yeah. So we have basic data, sales, purchasing, accounting, MRP, productions. Okay. So
mm,
and store location we have. So those are the different views or the department specific data which we can add into the material master record.
mm,
So in each data, what are maybe some of the key fields they are just giving here in basic data. It shows stores as like a general data. So meter short text, unit of measure, weight, volume. In sales data, sales price, minimum order quantity, item category, group will be there. So purchasing will be our purchase group, over under delivery tolerances, our purchase order unit, and other control indicators like automatic PO, source list indicator. So those are control indicators. So like MRP, it has like safety stock, planned delivery time, MRP type, whether
mm,
it's a reorder point or a normal
mm,
MRP, like what production people will use, that one. So in accounting data, we have price control, standard price or moving average price. We also need to maintain previous and future price and current valuation price. Storage we can use unit of issue, storage condition, and packaging dimensions.
mm,
Forecasting data, it will be like forecast model, consumption data, forecast periods. Those will be available. So
mm,
those are key fields.
mm,
So like that, this is like just
mm,
an information. So other than this also, we have other weaves also available in the Material Master. These are mostly used and important
mm,
weaves. So maintenance status. Maintenance status means whenever we create a Material Master,
mm.
it shows what weave the data is maintained. Generally, if any Material Master is created with purchasing data, then
Okay.
maybe if we check the Mara table, it shows the in
Maintenance
the view
status.
it shows E. E means
Mm.
the purchasing data is created for that material. So
Yeah.
similarly, B means accounting data is created. It's
Yeah.
like that. Whatever the views we add, those details it will show. That shows that that material is maintained for those specific views. Okay, that shows the maintenance status. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, we know we can extend the material. If it is not extended for maybe sales view or forecast view or MRP view, we can extend it using MM50 transaction
Mm,
code or
mm,
MM01. Using MM01 also we can add the
okay.
views which are not available. So these are the transaction codes: MM01 to create, MM02 to change, MM03 to display. So also given the path here in the SAP GUI, if we need to check where it is available, we can just navigate through this path: logistic materials management, material master, material create. Okay, MM50, we can display or extend the material from here. As a Fiori app, we have create material, change material, and display material. These are the app for
Okay.
the material master. So the org level we have seen last this one also. So org level generally it is there at general client level and general data client level and plant level and store location level. These are the main levels at which the master data, meter master data is maintained. These are the three levels. So general data like material description, number, short text, this will be at the client level.
Mm,
Plant data, so all purchasing data, inventory data, sales data, MRP data, that will be at the plant level.
mm.
So any storage related data like stock, the storage bin, those will be available at store location data. Okay, these are the three org level at which material master is maintained mostly. So purchasing data, yeah. So these are important in purchasing. We generally maintain most important data is like purchase group is mandatory, order unit, and some control parameters like automatic PO, source list is required.
Mm.
So though under delivery, over delivery tolerances, these are some of the things which we maintain. And purchase order text. That is also if we need to uh, add some text instead of adding
Extended
every time in
text.
the PO, yeah.
Mm.
So that if you add here, it will copy into the PO or PR from Material Master. So these are like default values. If you maintain something here, this
Mm.
will be
It will
default
go by
values
default.
for the info records, PO, PR, RFQ, and outline
Mm.
agreements.